I'm at 2030 Euclid Avenue. We are downtown. This doesn't look like Euclid Avenue because we are on the alley in the back, but you can see the terminal tower, the lumen, and things like that. We'll see kind of where this unit actually sits. But it's a condominium. We are right across from Cleveland State. I just wanted to show you, there's two parts to the building. This is the building we're going to be going into. It's a newer built building. And then there's a renovation here also. So it's very secure. We've got a parking garage that's right there. That's a door. There's a door from Euclid, and there's also a door here on the alley. And then that would be Prospect over there. Okay, let's head in. So straight ahead is the elevator. We'll be going in there, but I also want to take you into the garage because this is awesome. It's heated, and this condo comes with 2 parking places, which is phenomenal. So that's Euclid Avenue out there. There's the heater, and you got spots 17 and 18, plenty of room. So not going to be bumping into anything, no poles, anything like that. Let's head back over to the elevator. So it's a magnetic entry system, which is pretty nice. We have an elevator, and we have stairs. I'm going to go up the stairs. Oh, I guess we have the elevator. Okay, so we are on the 2nd floor. You can see building's well maintained, everything's clean. Got some exposed ceiling here. Just want to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at here to give you a full picture of the building, which is, I think, very nice. So there's some rental in the building, and then we go into the condo area, which is here. So we've got 2 security things here to get in. Oop, I just locked it. So we've got this door, and then we have the unit. So double security. So you walk in, we've got the entry here, laundry, ensuite, ceramic tile floor. Huge closet. It's great for condos to have lots of closet space. Utilities. And then the good stuff. So we get this big great room. And we've got an awesome island. I love the tile. Looks like a green glass tile, which I think is really cool. And then I really like the cabinets too. Got a pantry. All appliances are here. So this will give you a better idea of where we are. So there's Rhodes Tower. I think that's a communications building, kind of an idea of where downtown is there. And then what an awesome room this is. So over here, we've got sliding doors, and all the doors here are solid. So they're very nice. Carpet's in great shape. Again, big windows. So this is the secondary bedroom. Ceiling fan, big closet. Got the exposed brick from the original building next door. Again, we got the sliding door, and it's heavy because it's a real door. More storage. Bathroom with linen closet, more storage, just great. And we're back where we came from. So that is an ensuite for the secondary bathroom, and it is the primary for guests. So we've got the balcony. We're going to see this in 2 different places. It's there. Now we're heading to the primary suite. And there's the balcony there also. Another huge closet. Ensuite bathroom with double sinks. Again, ceramic tile, linen storage space, of course a toilet, and a nice big tile shower. So this is like 6 by 10, this balcony. But again, give you an idea of where we are. So that's Playhouse Square down there. So just 2 blocks away, downtown, and then that's Fenn Tower. This is the Healthline. This will take you, the RTA Healthline, this will take you straight down to the clinic, University Circle, Case Western, University Hospitals, all that. So amazing downtown location, very spacious condo. I just love the space in here. I love the light, and you know, two parking spaces downtown is a great thing. Another thing I wanted to mention is that, you know, there are business establishments underneath. There's a juice place, Amazon. You cannot hear a thing in here. You cannot hear any noise from downstairs, and even the street is very quiet. So they did a lot to make sure that you're not getting a lot of ancillary noise from around. So very impressive.